You have the princess.
Why
do you think I wanted that information?
Oh no, it's wait, Hank's that.
Alright.
Okay. Not bad.
Actually, sorry, this first one is occupied.
No, but if you do get spread.
Hello, everybody. Good morning. Just wanted to pop by and give one more introduction. And I am Jan Estes. I'm the onboard Princess Manager. So thank you for choosing Princess. Thanks for being here today. If during the journey y'all have questions, comments, or concerns, please do let me know. I'm on board to make sure everybody has a safe, happy, healthy day. So use 3 points of contact if you're wandering around, and please wash your hands often. Enjoy the beautiful ride.
Their luggage here and we're the bistro from They had the carrier, so they put them on their seats. So I went to the bistro. So that's nice. But I'd like to
I guess so.
get Ralph and I to select these two. Exactly. I'm wondering if this is right on their They made the thing I am still on this stupid princess thing. I can't get forget the network. She's still. We're not going to do. We're going to restart my phone.
Oké, en ik zou je er zijn kwartaals in voor dat we meer uit kunnen spreiden. Of blijven we zitten. Dat maakt niet uit. Dat maakt niet uit.
Stem with me at one more. Yeah, same situation.